and welcome. Today we're going to be having a look at the Breville kettle that we've got here. This is a plastic model, as you can see. It's a gloss black. It's quite nice, black and chrome design. I've got it filled up. The capacity is 1.6 litres, so it's pretty good. I think that's as high as you can really get, to be fair. The lid comes off nice and easy. There's no hinge, so it's just off and done. And then on the inside here, what you'll find is there's a nice little filter. So you can already see it's got a bit of lime scale in it, because we've got quite hard water around here. So it just pops on. At the back here, you've got your water level and the maximum number there. The handle, it's not the most ergonomic. It's okay, but once it starts getting filled up, it gets a bit uncomfortable and a little bit unwieldy, but it's not the end of the world. So we've got the kettle filled up with cool water, straight out of the tap. What we're going to do now is turn it on and see how long it takes to boil, and also you'll be able to see how bright it is. The switch is just here underneath the handle. It's got quite a bright blue light, and also it comes off completely, so you can swivel as well. do a nice little test pour now. So it's a good spout, you don't get any spills or anything with it. The kettle was £35 in Sainsbury's, which is not a bad price. Comparable model would be around maybe £60, £70, it depends on which brand you're going for and where you're shopping. But it's nice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.